Hello, welcome to today's lesson. We're going to learn about sign language letters, or we spell A, B, C, the alphabet. For you and I to be able to teach, read, write, speak, or spell any language, it depends on the alphabet. The sign language letters has 26 letters, just as the English language alphabet. A. The other 1, 2, 3, 4. The other fingers here, and the thumb is here. A. B. C. D. E. All the four resting on the tongue. E. F. G. H. I. The little finger up. I. And you use the I to draw the J. So J. K. The thumb is in between the index and the middle finger. K. L. M. The thumb is in between the last part one, the last two fingers. M. N. The M is here, and the N is here. O. P. The K turned upside down gives us P. So P. Q. You open the index and the thumb and turn it upside down. Q. R. The index on the middle finger. R. S. The fist. S. T. The thumb is here between the index and the middle finger. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Use the index finger to draw the Z. Now that we have finished practicing, let's try again. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. O P Q R S T U V W X Y and then Z. Thank you for watching.